Hi, I'm going to show you some things on recorder right now. So this is my wooden recorder at home, so it might sound a little different than yours. If you have your recorder at home, great, and you can practice with it as much as you can, or feel that you need to. 5 minutes a day is probably at least enough. If you do more, great. If not, if not, 5 minutes a day is good. Or if you don't have your recorder, do some air recorder. So pretend you have your recorder, or take a pencil, just don't put the pencil in your mouth, and just pretend you have your recorder as if you forgot it for music class. So I'm going to use my recorder, and I'm going to just review the notes B, A, and G, and then go over E and D, the new ones that we learned. So if you have your left hand, I mean, my hammer might be a little backwards for you, but take your left hand, and you're going to take your left thumb and put it on the back hole of your recorder. And then you take your first finger of your left hand and put it on your first hole. So that is, what letter is that? B. So let's play together B. So I'm going to count off. 1, 2, ready, play. Let's do that again, and we're going to play 4 beats on our B. We're going to hold it like a whole note. Ready? 1, 2, ready, play. And stop. So now we're going to keep our hand there, and we're going to put our next finger down on the next hole. And you want to make sure those holes are completely covered, because the 2 ways that we squeak on a recorder are not covering the holes completely or blowing too hard. So you want to blow gently, remember, like you're blowing a candle, very gently. So we got, what's this one called when we've got our 2 fingers down and our thumb? A. So let's just do A just like we did B. We're going to hold it for 4 beats and stop. And 2 times. We're going to do that 2 times. Ready? 1, 2, ready, play. 1, 2, ready, play. Good, and stop. So now we've got B, we have A, and we're going to add 1 more finger, and this one can be tricky to keep that covered, so make sure to really check that your fingers are covering them completely. So B, A, and what's this one called? G. So we're going to do the same thing, 4 beats, 2 times. Ready? 1, 2, ready, go.
What is
1,
that sound?
2, ready, play.
What is the sound? That looks like
So
a string.
we just played. Sorry for the interruption. So we have B, A, G. Let's try, before we add in E and D, let's try hot cross buns. Remember, B, A, G, B, A, G, 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 A, B, A, G. So sing that with me, just the letters. Don't play right now. So we've got our ready position, not in our mouths. And we're going to play and sing just the notes. Ready? Here we go. B, A, G, B, A, G, 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 A, B, A, G. Now let's try playing that. Nice singing. 1, 2, nice and slow. Now that we reviewed hot cross buns and B, A, and G, let's review our new notes low E and low G. So just like with Freddie's Treble Clef Island, that's Eli's home and Dolphin Bay. So remember, we have a couple different E's and D's in the staff, but these are the ones that is Eli's home on that first line and Dolphin Bay right below it. So we have to keep your fingers for G, so your thumb, first finger, second, and third. So we're going to keep our fingers there for G. Then we're going to take these 2 fingers of your right hand, and you're going to go, you can sort of see my recorder here, you're going to put these fingers on the next 2 holes, make sure they're covered completely, and that is E. low E. So listen before you play. You have to blow even more gently to play this. So let's try the 4 beats 2 times on E. 1, 2, ready, play. Again, here we go. Nice, so that's low E. Then to play low D, you're going to keep your fingers where they were for low E. And see this one? It's got 2 little holes. So yours is not as quietly defined because mine is made out of wood and yours is not, but the 2 holes, you want to cover them completely, both holes, and blow very gently. So now you've got almost all your fingers down on both hands. And that is low D, very gently. Listen first before you play it. I'm blowing very gently. So let's try low D the way we did the others to start. 4 beats to hold and 2 times. 1, 2, low D. One more time. Ready, play. So now let's try, we're going to play B, A, G, E, D. Nice and steady. 1, this fast. What? B, A, G, E, D, and stop. 1, 2, ready, play. Yeah, I lost my fingers there. So let's try that one more time. Ready, go. Oh, my fault. I'm going to have to edit this video. Ready, play. Nice. So I'm going to come back and do some songs. And you might want to, if you do not have your books home with you, I will try to teach it by rote, telling you the notes, and you can write them down. Or I'll try to post the music on Classroom so you can see it. So I'll be back in a bit.